Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2014 Yamaha Stratoliner that I want to show you. This is a beautiful low mileage bike. It's got less than 1,000 miles on it. Just in excellent condition. A real nice silver paint job with the black trim stripes, chrome front end, aluminum spoke mag wheels. Tires got lots of rubber left on it. Big headlight nacelle assembly up here. Just a super bike. Detachable windshield. Chrome levers, switch housings. Just an amazing motorcycle. Got a really pretty speedometer setup here, that cluster. Got the tach right here, fuel gauge, and the speedo. Really nice, very classy. Put you a battery tender on it for you. It's got a 1,854 cc's, that's 113 cubic inches. 5-speed with the heel toe shifter, rider floorboards. Got an engine guard up front there for you. It's got passenger floorboards as well. Bag guards, got the leather molded bags here. They're lockable. Nice touring saddle set up for 2-up with this tall passenger backrest, very comfortable. Just classic styling to this bike for sure. Rear tire looks real good. Got factory exhaust on it. It's a belt drive bike. 70 miles it's got. 941 miles. Right off and let you listen to it. Sounds really good. That was another bike that just left. This has got plenty of torque, plenty of power. Get you on down the road. Got you some upgraded hand grips on there. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. This bike qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship motorcycles all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. I didn't see anything on the paint that I needed to point out. It's just in beautiful condition. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.